Everybody, oh, what's that? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
Watch me dance the night away. I'll still keep the party running. I won't get out of place when my heart breaks, when my world shakes. I don't play safe. Don't you know about me? I could dance, I could dance, I could dance, dance the night.
Kasi, anong year ba tayo nagkita? 2017?
18.
2018. Oo. So, sila nung anak ko magkasama sa isang facility noon. So, pumupunta ako doon. Eto, nung makilala ko to, alam niyo ba mga anak, ang dali niyo? Tatay na tatay, nakakala mo yun. Oo. Akala mo siya, wala bang alam? Yung bang akala mo inosente. Pero nung malaman ko yung totoo, eto, ang galing-galing pala. Nagulat na lang ako. Biglang ang laki na ng negosyo. Isipin mo yun, di ba? So, si Pregil, para ko na rin itong kapatid, tinuturuan din niya ako. Tinuturuan din niya ako ng mga gagawin. Nagtutulungan din kami kung paano kami magkakatulungan. So, yun, ganun po dito kapag kayo ay kapwa Pilipino, diba? Yun, pero siguro dahil magkaibigan. siguro pagka yung sa iba sa totoo lang, pagkaiba na medyo mahirap din magtiwala. Pero ito po si Pregil, madali mo siyang mapapagkatiwalaan. At saka ito po ay napakamadasali. Para kung yung magkaibigan, yung kaya asawa, yung mag-asawang kaibigan namin. Nabobobo na to yan, nabobobo na to yan. Minsan nga, mahaba na ba? Minsan nga, ginagawa ako ng yung DIY. Nag-post ako, tapos nakita niya. Hindi niya alam yung ginagawa ko para sa kanya. Sabi ng anak ko, pa-birthday niya yun kay Pregil. Sabi niya, alam niyo po ba kung sino yan? Po si Mother of Perpetual Help. Ito po, lahat ng facility nito, merong Mother of Perpetual Help. Nung minsan, kailangan ng anak ko ng prayer. Sabi ko, patulong ka kay Pregil, malakas yun kay Mother of Perpetual Help. Tapos ito naman, excited. Biglang tumawag. Sabi niya gano'n. Sabihin, nagkabisa ba yung dasal niya? Diba? So, naging mabisa naman. So, thank you very much, Pregil, sa ating pagkakaibigan. So, sana tumagal pa ng tumagal. At yun nga, dahil sa'yo, kaya yun nagawa.
Nagkatulong mo.
So, thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you po.
Thank you to everyone who made their host. Ako. Ako bento ko. Wala, ako yung... Kami ni Pregil yung... Ako yung una yung nakasama nung dumating siya dito sa US. Kami yung dalawa magkasama sa facility. So, I've seen everything, all the struggles, everything. So
So, I'm just really proud of the man who he become. So, and sobrang proud na, nakaka-proud na sobrang successful na siya ngayon. Sa amin, sa mga kabatch niya dati na mga caregivers, at least siya yung isa sa amin na naging sobrang successful. Yeah. Tignan mo naman ang gold, sobrang dami. So, yun na, sobrang proud kami sa'yo and sana wish namin na maging successful ka pa and more facilities. Okay? Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ano yun? Okay, next, pwede na tayo mag-party, magsasayawan lang tayo.
Grace and Alval live life, wishing you good health, lasting happiness, and continued success in the years ahead. Here lang nila si Kuya Jean daw.
Boss Reggie, thank you sa invite. Wish ko na sana lumugod pa yung business mo. Kahit pa, tumami pa. Kahit nasa taas ka, ganun pa rin yung tingin mo sa amin. Nasa baba. Bigatin na yan. Wala akong masabi. Masyadong mahaba yung kwento natin dalawa. Thank you, thank you.
From Manitoba.
Thank you, Eddie. Andiyan na yata si Nikita.
Virgie, alam mo, kayo na tayo nagkakilala pero alam kong mabait ka tao. So, happy birthday. Okay.
Thank you, ate. Last but not the least, you.
Ako? Si Mama mo.
Okay, go.
Si Ate Ray.
Okay, yay!
Ate Leia.
Kaya lang, hindi na ako masyadong close, pero si Kuya Bing close niya. Pero may chichika lang ako siya. He's proud of you. Kumaga, kiss me. Hindi, kumaga, naririnig ko lang kasi, pagka, everybody here na pag narinig yung kailangan ng staffing, siya. Talagang maasahan mo sa staffing. And Camille, she also helps me pag kailangan ko ng caregiver. So, very open silang dalawa. And thank you for that. We wish you more blessing and more parties to come.
Yay!
And thank you, Ate Leia. Next is Mother. Mama. Best.
Ay, yan, dyan papayak
Huwag
yan.
magkwento, ha? Mahaba. Mahaba magkwento yan.
Muna kwento sa ano, ha?
Sabi ko, baka hindi na rin ako kasali. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ano po? Tapos nadinig ko sa kanila, ihuli natin si Mother kasi mahaba magsalita. Sabing gano'n, ano. So, paano ba?
Thank you. Now, our next, year, so our next is Reggie's best friend. Wala pa si Hannah, so si best friend muna, si Aaron.
Sino yung best friend mo ron?
Come here.
Message.
Short message na, kwento mo.
Short
Search message.
Ayun na.
Share.
Yun, happy 50th birthday, Virgil. Sana maging successful ka pa. And
Ano na surprise?
Na surprise.
sana na-enjoy mo yung birthday mo today and good health. Yun lang, sana yung mga pangarap mo pa sana matupad mo. Yun lang.
And all my wish.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you sa surprise. Till next. Okay, our next speaker is Winnie.
Ako na lang magkakwento. Ano ba yung kakwento?
Kwento, Kawi.
Naiiyak. Teka lang, ano ba yung kakwento lang?
Yung nakakaiyak.
Ay, kwento mo paano kami nagkakilala ni Freddie. Kwento yun. Iwan na yun. And then,
Kaya mo bang ikwento?
ala, naiyak na ako tuloy. Bakit kailan yung tunog? Live ba yan?
Live to.
Happy birthday, kuya. Sobrang big part ka ng life ko. Bakit nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon? Alam ng iba dito kung bakit. Dahil sa'yo at kay Kuya Aaron. Actually, tayo tatlo yun. Alam mo yun. So, thank you so much for everything, for the support for me and Aaron. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Shashe.
Thank you.
Ay, ito na si Yana. Yana, can we ask for a simple message for your dad?
Okay, so hi, good evening to all of you. My name is Yana po, and I would just like to say happy 50th birthday, Dad. I want to say how truly thankful I am for everything you do. Thank you for your endless care for me and Jomer, and of course our mom. I know how hard you work every single day just to give us the kind of life we want and deserve. I know we don't always have that close open bond some fathers and daughters share, but please know, no matter what, that I love you so much, and no matter what happens, you mean the world to me. Wishing you good health, peace, and all the happiness you've given us over the years. Enjoy your special day, Dad.
Thank you.
Thank you na.
So next, may I call on Kuya Gerald?
Kuya Gerald.
Late ka eh.
Late ka kasi.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Gerald. Happy birthday, Kuya Virgil. Thank you, and I'm very grateful and thankful for you. Ever since I've been Kuya Virgil for almost 3 years na. So, maraming salamat sa mga advices, sa tulong. I wish ko na maging successful pa ang iyong business, good health, and long life. Thank you, Kuya, and happy birthday.
Thank you, Je.
Thank you, Gerald. For next, may I call on Kuya Joey?
No? Kuya Joey. 50 na.
Happy birthday ka. Ako po yung pangalan ni Virgil.
Come on.
Hindi ko alam. Years old na pala. Kasi makakuya wing sa akin. Pero ako yung pioneer sa mga kasama nila caregiver. Pero ngayon nag-ipagtrabaho kay Boss Virgil. So, thank you for the friendship. And happy birthday, Boss.
Thank you, Kuya Weng.
Happy birthday kami.
Thank you, Kuya Joey. So for our next speaker, can I call Miss Maylene?
Happy birthday, Precious.
Thank you.
May you have all the desires of your heart. And hearing all the people that you help, it just tells how wonderful person you are. So, may God bless you. Continue to help us. And I know you continue helping me too.
Yeah.
In my staffing issues, I just text you and you help me right away. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate the friendship. And also Camille, thank you so much for both of you. I love you both. Thank you.
Thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Thank you, Miss Maylene. Next, Miss Tina de los Santos. Good evening everyone.
Thanks.
Tonight we
Happy
celebrate the wonderful gift of life. Happy 50th birthday, Frenchio. Your hard work, dedication, sacrifices, and humble personality. Thank you for always welcoming us so warmly whenever we come visit you and Camille. Your kindness, generosity have always made us feel at home. Seeing your continued success is a constant source of inspiration. As you celebrate this golden milestone, we wish you many more years of happiness, good health, and great achievements. May God continue to bless you abundantly and guide you in all that you do. Once again, happy 50th birthday, Fredjo. We love you and warmly wishes from your extended family in the Bay Area, the De Los Santos family, Uncle Johnny, Alan, and Adrian. May God bless you always and keep you under His loving care. Cheers for many more wonderful years ahead. Thank you for having us on this special occasion.
Thank you po.
Thank you, Auntie, for the beautiful
Thank you.
message.
Thank you po.
Next, may I call Miss Lisa. So first, let's for Jeremy Basa. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jem, and I flew all the way from San Francisco to celebrate this very
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Sana ang mga pangarap mo lagi ay magkatotoo. Happy birthday to you.